Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Bullion Now with Reuben and
Oscar.
Hey, what have we got today?
Apparently we've got some Valcambi Star bars.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. So we've actually had these before, but we actually got another batch through, so we thought it warranted another video. Because these were kind of cool and they went pretty damn quickly last time.
Did they?
So yeah, if you wanted to grab that there knife and
Absolutely.
Start getting into it. So yeah, these are pretty popular because they're kind of a way to get fractional gold without buying individual pieces. You kind of get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, and so it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's 5 1 gram. Do I say stars, sides to a star, whatever it is?
Pieces of a star.
And what's that for? Is that to barter with? Is that just because it looks good? Why do you think Valcambi do that?
I see. Well, I don't know why. Well, Valcambi do it because it sells, but why people buy it?
Yeah.
I see a couple of different reasons. You know, we do get people that are after it for that kind of bartering individual amounts, or that's even just to give out as a gift. You know, it's a little bit easier to give out 1 gram than it is a full 5 gram bar. We've got a monster box there.
Now, Reuben, we've seen kangaroos, Britannias all in monster boxes, maples. Have you ever seen a Valcambi monster box?
I don't know if I've seen one sealed like this before.
Is this a Bullion Now first today?
you're after the exclusive report,
I'm very excited. All right, let's cut this open. As nice as it looks.
You're not going to go for the individual one. You're tearing into the big box.
Absolutely.
Can't say I blame you.
No.
Got to do it for the content.
Are we going to label this an epic unboxing? Is it worth it, or we're not sure yet?
I reckon we might be getting to the scale of epic.
Okay, all right, I'm excited.
It's not often we get monster boxes full of gold.
No, it's not. And where's Valcambi from?
Switzerland.
Switzerland, fantastic.
So getting it in from the other side of the globe.
All right, well, I've noticed these aren't any different than these, so we will use them. I just like the presentation.
So take one out of there.
The middle one. Is that the correct choice?
That is.
All right. These are easier than the pant boxes to open.
Already getting a big tick from you.
Let's take a look.
There we go.
These are really presentable. When I was selling these in the store, and we've all sold them, people really gravitate towards that orange color. Also goes really well with the gold. Yeah, it's just a really nice looking bar. Is it a bar? It's a bar, right?
I was about to say yes, but looking at the side there and
coin.
Yeah, well, we used to sing the combi bar, but these are actually coins because they have Her Majesty on the other side and they have a face value. So technically a coin.
You learn something new every day.
A very, very oddly shaped one, but a coin nonetheless.
I'll just lay that there.
Yep,
just
checking they're all the same.
Bars. Yep, just making sure, and just make sure this one isn't different than the others.
I think we're all looking at more of the same in there.
Okay, well, fair enough.
So that is another little quick look at the Valcambi combi coins.
Yeah, these are really fantastic. Yeah, I really like these. Really presentable, perhaps a great gift, something good for your own collection. That's what I feel like. Reuben, how about you?
Yeah, just in time for Christmas. So I do like these ones. And
put that star at the top of the tree, you reckon?
Go for a real gold star, you reckon?
That's right.
That should be good. All right, well, that's it from us. Just a quick little update to let you know that we've got some more of them in. And yeah, we'll see how long they last this time around.
Thanks for watching.
See ya. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now with Oscar and... Wait, what? No, I've done that backwards.